Well guys, I'm on the MSC Seascape and we're fixing to go in and do a walking tour of the arcade hall of games. Now I know it's a little dark right here, so hopefully you can see me, but I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to do a walkthrough of the arcade. Alright, looks like we got a air hockey, some car racing games, and some motorcycle games. Look down this, we got a lot of colored windows right there you can walk down through. Let's go back around. Go right in here and I'll do a little spin. I don't know what all these games are. I'm sure if you're looking at this video, you probably do. See something you recognize, leave a comment. Alright, let's move on down. Go in here and spin around. I ain't never seen that game. That's actually looks like bowling balls. Oh, I've seen skee ball. That's bowling champ. Like a kind of ticket game. There's more my style, my day, the old standard pinball machine. I guess that's the prize hub where you can get tickets, you can change them in for a prize. Let's move on. Let me spin around here. We've got some basketball games. Look like some, I guess they were motorcycles. BR Moto. Formula One. I'm not actually sure what that does. I noticed in my package I've got one free ride in that. I'm looking at it, I ain't sure I can get in it. There's the desk. Now the old claw game. Looks like they got some little old stuffed animals in there. Do a little shot back up through there so you can kind of see where I came from. And that's looks like interactive cinema. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but and let's look back down this aisle. You walk down through there and look out and all the colored windows. And that's the exit to the arcade. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that video. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos coming up on my end screen. Till next time, happy cruising.